Welcome to another video of A Roman Racing. In today's video we are going to be doing a very quick install. I have Nick right here, and today we're going to be installing a OLM Gurney flap on his 2015 STI. Alright, so Nick, OLM Gurney flap from where you bought it from?
New Provision Racing.
New Provision Racing. How much it cost you?
89 bucks.
$89. So there you go, is $89. It's plastic, and you got 3M tape, and this is the way we are going to be installing in his wing right here. So it only gets connected by 3M tape. So it's nice and cold outside, very cold outside, not too cold, but first thing we always going to do is make sure that we clean the wing, of course, the surface, some alcohol pads, and also we're going to heat up the wing to make sure that there's a good bond between here and the Gurney flap. So let's get to it. So there's a trick to putting like anything that is 3M with 3M tape. We pulled off a little bit of the little plastic thing from the tape here to the side, right, on both sides, because he has two lines of 3M tape. Then we're going to put it down, right, stick it this little corner down, and then we make sure that everything is lined up all the way over there. Everything's lined up, and then while pressing down right here, then you start pulling this off that way, you know, pulling away from it. So that way you can kind of make sure that everything's lined up and doing it slowly instead of pulling everything off and then putting it right on top of it, you know, like, you know what I'm saying. So that's what he's doing. He's making sure that everything's lined up right now, and then we are going to press this little corner down and then start pulling. So just as how Nick is doing, he already pressed the one side in, and then he's gonna pull the little string off just like how he's doing, and then that way he makes sure that everything is nice and perfect without pulling everything all at once. So just nice and slowly. The little Gurney flap is a little bit bendable, so you can kind of see right here, it is a little bit bendable. So we want to make sure we're making sure that it's like perfectly on the wing on the back. It's kind of like a one little line right there. Or not the wing, the Gurney flap is actually already installed here. It's nice and strong. I can actually kind of pull on, and the whole wing actually moves. So you know, moment of truth will be when he drives on the highway for a couple weeks and see how these two 3M tapes hold on. But it's actually pretty good looking at it. So there you go. That's exactly how the Gurney flap looks. And looking at it from over here, from the back side of the wing and a little bit down, just gives it a nice little touch right there at the end of the wing. So he has his parent stabilizers right here, and now he has a little Gurney flap there, because guessing he wanted a big wing, or he wanted a big wing, but I guess he's doing other stuff. So so he got that. So not too bad, not too shabby, pretty good, and yeah. pretty much it. Like I said, it's a very quick video. It's a very quick installation. It takes 2 minutes to install. Clean, heat up a little bit if it's too cold, stick, and that's it. So this is what I'm gonna do at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Everyone Racing. Also, if you guys don't know, I'm actually on Twitch now. I'm doing a little streaming on Twitch. I do play some Apex on the PlayStation with my buddy here, Nick. So he's my little teammate on Apex. So I do stream a little bit on Apex, a little bit on Twitch. So twitch.tv/aroman87 is my Twitch account. So if you're bored and want to see me suck at Apex, you can actually watch me suck at Apex. So watch me on everywhere, here, Instagram, Twitch. So, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.